Hey guys, how would you like a hot tub that you can install anywhere? Maybe you're looking for a wristband to add some flair to your favorite outfit. We've even got an e-bike that was specifically designed for off-road use. The future is now. Lazy Spa Paris Airjet. Have you ever wanted the convenience and comfort of a hot tub without breaking the bank? Now you can have it all. This inflatable hot tub has everything you need to have a good, relaxing time with friends or family. This spa can seat up to 4 full-sized adults and doesn't require any special connections or wiring. Just plug it into a normal wall outlet, fill it with water, and let the spa do the rest. A built-in LED system will keep your spa looking amazing, and an advanced filtration system keeps the water clean and crystal clear. A pump and heater are all built into one simple device. Just turn it on, choose your desired temperature, and that's it. Wait for the tub to warm up and hop in. This spa can maintain its warm temperatures even during the cold winter months. Yash Smart Fan. This fan can monitor the temperature of the air around you and adjust itself to match wind speeds, giving you the perfect amount of cooling all throughout the day. The Yash Smart Fan is a new way to bring a fan with you outdoors, no matter where you are or what you're doing. The battery can last up to 12 hours on a single charge, and its one-button operation makes it super easy to cool off instantly using the Yash Fan's integrated AI temperature system. The Yash Fan easily slips around your neck and will detect the temperature around you to provide you with the perfect amount of cooling. The fan offers 3 speed options and a smart mode that allows the fan to run on its own without you having to lift a finger. Operating at just 30 decibels, this is the perfect fan for any atmosphere, making it quieter than your average whisper. It's quiet and comfortable and provides a 360-degree breeze. Jabra Panacast. The new Jabra Panacast is a new panoramic 4K video camera that can record an entire room, making it perfect for full coverage conference calls with large groups of people. It offers a wide-angle camera that can be hooked up to any computer to stream 4K panoramic video with ease. This camera was designed to be the world's most intelligent 13-megapixel conference camera, offering real-time video stitching unlike any other. The camera will automatically zoom to whomever is speaking during a call, so you never have to manually adjust the focus. It's easy to set up. Just install the drivers and plug the camera into any normal USB slot. It's even compatible with all Windows-based PCs and works with Zoom natively. You can even pair the camera with a speaker for the best possible conferencing system. Jimmy-O. The Jimmy-O Band 2 is a new USB rechargeable wristband that can spice up any outfit or keep you safe when wandering around in public at night. These wristbands are flexible and can slip on with ease. Each band offers 20 RGB LEDs that you can customize however you'd like. The built-in microphone will synchronize with the pulse of the LEDs to coincide with any music you're listening to, making it perfect for parties or family gatherings. The band is splash resistant, so you don't have to worry about rain or spilling drinks onto it. The battery lasts up to 8 hours, meaning the party almost never has to end. Pedigo Element e-bike. If you're looking for an e-bike that can go literally anywhere, you've come to the right place. This e-bike is one of the most affordable on the market and offers a fat tire design that was specifically made for off-road use. Each bike can fit people of all shapes and sizes, and you have the option of using electric power or pedal power. You can travel as much as 40 miles on a single charge, costing no more than 10 cents of electricity. These bikes are waterproof and approved for use during the rain or muddy conditions, so you can go anywhere at any time.